Hey everybody, welcome to 5 yoga poses for cultivating hope. I wanted to come and share these 5 favorite heart opener poses with you that can be done from a chair. You can do it at your desk because I feel like personally and collectively now is a time there. We need to just find hope. We need to dip deep into our heart and look for hope. So the first one that I want you to find from a seated position is to wrap your arms to the back of your chair. I'm just using my dining room chair because my studio's freezing today. I'm going to hold on to the chair. If you're in a wheelchair, you can just simply hold on to the wheels. And notice as I do this, this extends the chest forward. Stretching the chest upward creates space for some positive energy. It lifts the spirit. It takes us from this feeling of heaviness here to a feeling of optimism and lightness. As we hold this pose, I would love for you just simply to say, I offer my heart hope and possibilities. Squeeze your shoulder blades. I offer my heart hope and possibilities. Lift your heart one more breath. I offer my heart hope and possibilities. Release the pose, roll your shoulders. The next one is going to be cactus pose. So we're going to come to big wide hands. And there's a little tidbit tip that I love about cactus. I got my palm tree attacking me. All right, so we're going to come to cactus pose. I'm going to turn my palms away from me. And this is a symbolic gesture that says, we're not going to let negativity come into this beautiful space of mine. So I'm flipping my palms outward. This gentle heart opener, because as you notice, it's still stretching the skin on the chest, activates the shoulders, opens the chest, and symbolizes a receptiveness to good, because we are not allowing anything negative to come into our heart space. We don't want that. We want to protect ourselves. When we're here in cactus pose, I like to say, I am open to receiving light today, because we know that the darkness exists. So I am open to receiving light today. And as we symbolically make sure that negativity doesn't come into us or darkness, we are open to receiving light. Lift your elbows, push that negativity away. Feel the skin on the chest open. I am open to receiving light today. Take a breath. Empty the breath, lower your arms, roll your shoulders. Perfect. Leo's right there. He's watching, supervising. If you know Leo the cat, the yoga teacher assistant, he's hanging out here. All right, we're going to take a side bend, one of my favorites. Lift your arms up, grab your left wrist. We're going to reach up and over. Now the side bend expands the ribs, right? Opens up the side body, helps you breathe a little deeper, find more spaciousness through the side body, cultivating feelings of inspiration. Pull here, and as we pull, we repeat this affirmation with every breath. I go stronger in hope. With every breath, I grow stronger with hope. Come back to center, grab your right arm. We're going to pull to the left, really pull, feel the ribs there open. With every breath, I grow stronger in hope. One more, with every breath, I grow stronger in hope. Inhale up, lower your arms, roll your shoulders. All right, warrior one with an elevated heart. Palms are going to come together. Now, if this doesn't work in your shoulders, you can have your palms just facing each other and not touching. So I'm going to lift my arms, seal my hands together, and I'm going to draw my arms behind me. So you can see as I do this, I have this big opening through the heart. My arms are straight. Yours may not be. Yours may be here, and that's okay. We're going to lift here. And we're going to maybe lift our eyes, lift our chin, and we repeat this affirmation. I rise with strength and face the future with hope. Lift a little bit more. I rise with strength and face the future with hope. One more. I rise with strength and face the future with hope. Inhale up and lower your arms. Roll your shoulders. The last pose of the 5, it is seated eagle. Take your arms out to a diagonal, make an X. You can grab your shoulders or you can grab the backs of your hands. If your shoulders are tight or they just don't move this deep, no big deal. Hold on to your elbows. I'll do a couple variations. We're gonna hold here. This particular one stretches the shoulders, upper back, releasing tension, creating space of an inward focus. And this pose encourages us to have a really grounded sense of hope. If we were standing and doing eagle pose, we'd have our legs crossed, but for seated, we're just going to do the arms. Squeeze a little bit, and we want to say with this one, I release what holds me back and embrace the hope within. I release what holds me back and I embrace the hope within. It's like you're giving yourself a squeeze. Now here's the variation. Palms touch, elbows lift. I release what holds me back and embrace the hope within. Lower your arms, circle them out. We're going to do the other side. So we cross other arm under, grab your shoulders, squeeze, open up the shoulder blades behind. I release what holds me back and I embrace the hope within. 2 more. I release what holds me back and I embrace the hope within. Lift your elbows. I release what holds me back and I embrace the hope within. Lower your arms. Circle them way out and then lower. So to review, the seated chair, holding onto the back of the chair, elevating the heart, creates this beautiful heart opener. Cactus to protect ourselves from negativity. That overarm stretch opens up the side body, opens up the lungs to be able to breathe a little easier during times of uncertainty. The warrior 1 lifts the heart and helps us to lead forward with hope. And then the embracing of ourselves and the hope within. I'd like to close with just this quote on hope. Desmond Tutu says that hope is being able to see that there is light despite all the darkness. There's your 5 favorite poses for having hope, cultivating hope, living from a heart space of hope. Have a beautiful day and I'll see you soon. Bye.